being married to a rich man doesn't mean that you are rich. You are married to a person who fulfilled his dreams, and sometimes it will be difficult to you to enjoy that marriage, because sometimes, guys, that person will every time will deprive you most of the time, because he can say you don't have anything here, and maybe he can chase you anytime and you go back to your parents' house, you don't have nothing. So guys, sometimes when you are married to those people, rich men, try as hard as you can to being independent. Try a business, do something sometimes, because one day is one day. He can chase you out and go to your mother's house with nothing. Look at Regina Daniels. Regina Daniels, she is very talented, because we are used to saw Regina Daniels acting what. But now Regina Daniels, she was acting, but not like that, because she was saying she is married to a rich man. Sometimes we don't want to like or judge people or what. Regina Daniels married to that man for money. You can't leave your handsome boyfriend and go to an old man for love. I don't believe that, guys. I don't believe that. Regina Daniels married to that man for money. For money. Yes, Regina Daniels, she was already have her own money, and Regina Daniels says she contribute 50K. 50K of maybe that man wants to campaign what, because he is a political what. So the Regina Daniels have her own company of acting. She is a producer of her company. She produce movies what. So guys, that girl, she was already independent. That man saw Regina Daniels was already independent, but Regina Daniels wants more money to that man. But when she entered the marriage, and now, guys, those people who have got money were crying. Now she is crying every day, and she opened her eyes now, can saw money being enough with your own money. And guys, you can't leave your fresh boyfriend. You are going to an old man, because the Regina Daniels, when he was married, was maybe 18, 19, and that man is in 60s, and you are going to marry to that person is in 60s. Regina Daniels was already have her own boyfriend. You understand? So sometimes, guys, being independent, it's better that Regina Daniels was already independent. Have got her own businesses. But that man was controlling her, because he was controlling her a lot, because of her acting what. You know that sometimes it's very, you can have a headache with those people who have got money. It's better to have your own money